Let me start by giving you a general overview of my philosophy. This is based on my experiences over these years. I've had the opportunity of working with a wide range of people, and it doesn't matter if you're shooting for a fashion magazine, for a fashion ad, if you're shooting with no fashion, actually like no clothes, like a fine art nude or a nude for advertising, whether it's for a formal portrait or whether you're a wedding photographer and you're shooting a wedding portrait, whether you're shooting a commercial portrait for an ad and nothing of this, it doesn't matter because you're dealing with a human being, no matter what level they are in society, no matter what level they are, from a supermodel to a celebrity to everyday people. One thing that I've learned is that it's important to be in control of your emotions and not to let anyone make you feel inferior. And it's easy to be intimidated by people who have a certain status, or if you feel more successful or famous than you are. However, it's important to remember that they are still human beings and with feelings and emotions just like you have. So you're playing on an equal playing field. You're a level playing field. You have to make it feel that way. So you have the control. You have to feel, it's just like, as an example, if you meet someone on the street or someone introduces you to them, there's a certain uncomfortable level when you first start meeting or whatever. But the more you communicate, the more comfort and the more relaxed you feel. It's the same way here. So you build a rapport with your subject before you shoot. Communicate with them. Sit down, explain the mood, the feeling, and what you want to get out of your shooting. Show examples or explain to them the feeling and what you're trying to get and what your creative process is. And let them be part of that creative process. Let their ideas come through. Let them feel that they're really part of it, and it helps your interaction with them. But even before that, speak with them on a more personal level. Let them know who you are personally, acknowledge their and compliment them on their work if they're a known person of the arts or actor or so forth. Tell them something about yourself, about your work, what you're looking for in this particular situation, and maybe how it relates to your style, and find out more about them personally. And then once you relax like that, then get into your shooting. The thing to realize is that what you might make you feel uncomfortable is their perception or your perception of yourself or their selves, that that is what you're surmising, that you think this person is of a certain level and it makes you nervous, or they might think you're a certain level. So the thing is, you have to both, you do your effort to bring everything down to that equal level. If you can build a rapport with your subject and make them feel comfortable, it will help you reach and remain at a comfort zone so that you can relax and be creative, have creative control, which will result in great images and continued passion and your motivation with photography. It'll put you on that path that you love photography, to make you relax, because you don't want to be uptight during your shooting. You're not going to be creative. So that's a very important overview to to have, no matter who you are photographing.